Everybody, this is Professor Hart Toot Toot, and today we're going to continue our sustainable science course. Today's zero waste class, we're going to talk about our zero waste meal kit and a little bit about canteen, which goes into our kit, and super salad. And we are going to make a zero waste lunch. Zero waste means we make less trash and reuse items. It's eco-fun. Some items are not fun, like plastic bottles. A canteen is more fun because we can reuse it. Let's look at some things that we can reuse. So you're going to make these easy take-along zero waste kits. But first off, I want you to get the items that go inside. A reusable straw, it could be metal, it could be bamboo, some type of water canteen to go inside it. It could be something like this that you upcycle and reuse again, or it could be an actual canteen. I want you to have a fork and a spoon. It could be bamboo, it could be compost material made, it could be metal, and then a reusable, again, either a straw, bamboo, or metal. And I want you to have a reusable napkin, not paper. You can either do cloth, which you can wash, or you can do the sort of spongy one that wash and dry quickly, and it's also, you can clean up after yourself. So first off, we need to get all the things that go inside the kit before we make the kit. Creative when reusing something for your drinking cup. This came from a food powder. This is a measuring cup. This is something that they use at restaurants. Here is a yogurt, but you can always take off the wrapper, and now it's a cup. And always think about little containers like this that you have hummus in. Something like this is reusable in your kits. Tuck everything into our zero waste kit. We have the reusable hummus container in here for our food. We'll tuck in our fork and spoon and reusable spongy napkin, and we'll fit in our reusable cup. If we want, we can add this reusable straw. And there you have it. This is everything that goes in our zero waste kit. This is what we'll bring with us to school if there's a picnic or a birthday event or a celebration. Maybe your school put on a play, but this is all we need. And remember, the blue is for pure water, the brown is for the worm, which is rich soil, the yellow is for the shining sun, the dark green is for the earth's heart, and the shining green heart here in the middle, that's our healthy heart. And when we have all of these things working together, that is how we create a sustainable planet. This meal kit can fit a book, and it can also fit all my meal kit items. This is something easy to take to school, and it's fun. Can you guess what I have packed in my zero waste lunch today? Let's take it apart and find out. My zero waste lunch using the vintage container. I have my sandwich and my peas, my cauliflower, my orange and my dried cherries, and here I have my salad. I'm going to add some dressing. Now let's fit it in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll fit that in here. There is our first finished zero waste lunch. Everything is in here. And when we finish, we'll bring it home, we'll wash it, we'll reuse it. We will fit it in the yellow bag, because the yellow bag is biggest, and it will fit our thrift store box with our zero waste lunch, and everything is so healthy and yummy. And this lunch is different from the other box because different things fit in it. This I will carry in my backpack. And what do you think I have for lunch today? Let's open up and find out. Here is my veggie stew, and then here is my salad underneath. So this is another way that you can have a zero waste lunch. When we are finished, we will bring this home and we will wash it and we'll use it. What do you think I have for lunch in this box? And I saved the box, and I'm going to upcycle and reuse it for my zero waste lunch. Let's open it up. Look at my wonderful lunch. I have an orange, and it's in a little cup that I can use to drink milk or water. I have my fork that I will take home later and wash and reuse, and I can use it, yum yum yum, for my cauliflower. I have for dessert my dried cherries. They're very sweet and tasty. And look at this, here's my little sandwich with my hummus and my cilantro. When I'm done, I will bring back the rinds and this and this and this and wash it and reuse it all again. Now, if we go on a hike, we are going to use a reusable water canteen. It is very important for zero waste to have a reusable water canteen. And this is better than plastic bottled water because this we can use many, many times. This is the best thing to do to create a sustainable planet when you want to drink water and you're going on a hike. I also like my fuzzy backpack when I go on a hike. It fits this, my reusable water canteen, and it also fits my zero waste meal kit. The only thing that's missing on this is our zero waste heart. So next week we are going to talk about how to make your own zero waste heart, and then you can put this on your own zero waste kit. End of our zero waste class for today. It is time to close the library. And remember, when the Earth's heart is happy, our heart is happy. I hope everybody had fun, because eco-fun is for everyone.